Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 petrol CRV S. Now of course this car does come with LED daytime running lights as standard. You've also got LED headlights as well. Walking around the car, it's also got these brilliant 17-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. And I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern on each and every alloy. But walking around the car now to the rear, as you can see we have had a reversing camera installed by the previous owner of this vehicle, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. We've got plenty of room in the tailgate, as you can see, with 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor. You've then got a little lever on either side which will enable the seats to fold down without having to keep walking around the car and using your legs up. Walking around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, as you can see, we have got the flat folding seat just here. It is nice and flat folded there. All you need to do is simply lift it up, straight up, and it will go into the first of two seating positions. All you need to do is simply lift the lever and it will recline into a more reclined position. We've got full cloth black interior, full electric windows all around as well. And then jumping inside the car now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, and we've also got your stop start off and your economy mode. We've got climate control in the middle, and then we have also got this aftermarket head unit installed, which enables your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving over to the middle now, onto the steering wheel, we've got your volume, onboard computer controls and Bluetooth hands-free. These arrows here work between the infotainment system and the onboard computer, so it works between the two screens. We've then got cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, but as you can see, this car has done 46,996 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this CRV, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.